Hi friends, welcome to our channel. And in this video I will tell you how you can view the history archive on your Facebook. Please, friends, subscribe to our channel, write your comments after watching the video, and also be sure to put your likes. So, let's get to our topic. And first, you'll need to open the Facebook app on your phone and then go to your profile. You can click here, so you can go to your Facebook page. Now you need to click on these three dots next to change your profile. Or maybe you'll have these three dots right up here at the top. So you click on them to go to the profile settings. Then you go to the archive and then you go to the history archive. And so you'll see all the stories that you've posted on Facebook. And you can see them in calendar order. As you can see, unfortunately, I have only one, but if you have more, you'll see the stories that are newer first and then the older ones at the bottom. If you scroll through those, you can go to the really old Facebook stories. But what do you do if you're sure you've posted a story on Facebook, but unfortunately you can't find it in your archive? Then you need to go here, click on this gear, and you need to activate this function. Save it in the archive. Because that most likely means that you don't have that feature active, and that's why all of your stories are not being saved to the archive. Once this feature is enabled, all the stories that you post on Facebook, they will be automatically saved to this archive, which you can view at any time. Friends, this is the simple way you will be able to view the story archive on your Facebook. I really hope this video was helpful for you. Please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, put your likes, write your comments, and see you soon.